Alright guys, today we're going to be making Copycat Totino's pizza rolls here on LCD. This is a very simple 4-ingredient recipe, guys. You're just going to need some puff pastry, mozzarella, your favorite pepperoni, and some pizza sauce. You're going to start by mixing up the mozzarella, the pizza sauce, and chop up those pepperonis however you like. Go ahead and you're going to need to thaw out your puff pastry ahead of time because it is sold frozen. If you have the time, you could also make your own puff pastry, but that's you. So there's enough flour on the puff pastry when you get it in the package that you shouldn't need to flour your rolling pin. You can if you like, but you definitely don't need to. That's another reason why this is a very, very simple recipe. I am just gonna roll this out until it's pretty thin, but not too thin because when I cut it into rows, I'm gonna roll it out again. Just gonna cut it into a square like I said and roll it out again. And then you're gonna stuff it as much as you like or as little as you like. Be prepared that it's gonna burst open just like the regular pizza rolls do. And I wasn't a big fan of how that one turned out, so I'm gonna use some of my leftover egg wash from a former recipe, and I'm gonna egg wash it so that it'll help it stay closed better. I'm not putting a lot because I know that this is going to puff up and it is going to come out. Just going to quickly fold them up and then close it tight with a fork. And there you have it. I'm just going to make a few more of these, and in a second here I'm going to show you what it looks like to have them cooked about halfway through. And that's the part where you would want to freeze them if you decided to freeze the extra. They last about 2 weeks in the freezer. And when you see this red sauce starting to poke through, but they're not completely golden brown, that's the part where you want to take them out of the oven, let them cool, and then you can freeze them. Also, I tried it with wonton or egg roll wrappers. It was very crispy, very golden, not as kid-friendly as I wanted it to be, so that's why I didn't choose this way of doing things. Also, I used 2 of the wrappers to, because they were just so thin, I used 2 to make sure it didn't bust open, but the middle wrapper was still very raw on the inside. That could be due to too much of high heat, but it still was very raw in the middle, so that's another reason I didn't choose that method. This is about 3/4 of the way, and you'll know they're done when they come out looking golden brown and puffy. They're twice the size of the regular pizza rolls, and they really are good. They could even make a really good quick dinner if you paired it with the right things. So like I said, it makes a lot, guys. This recipe is so good. They're so flaky, they're so crispy. Your kids will enjoy them, you will enjoy them, and they're also a lot of fun to make. So if you try them, let me know, and let me know if you have any questions. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya.